Hi guys, so Daniqua Monet here, coming to you with this tutorial of the 3-layer feed-in braids that I did on myself. This is the finished product. So this is my very first time doing the feed-in 3-layer braids on myself. I first tried the lemonade braids on myself, but this is actually my second time doing the feed-in braids on myself, and I actually love the results. So these are the 3 layers. So there's a layer there, and then there's a layer on the very bottom. So as you can see, there's a layer on the very bottom. So let's talk about the details of this hairstyle. So this hairstyle took me, I started about 12:30, and I didn't get done with the complete style until about 7 something. Of course, I took a break to eat, but other than that, I used the 3-pack of the Easy Braid hair. I used 1 full pack, and then I used half of 1 bundle out of a second pack. So the pack that I use has the 3 bundles that come in it, and you'll see it inserted in a clip inside the video. But I only use 1 full pack, and then a half a bundle out of a second pack. So not even really 4 packs of hair, because I consider it to be 1 pack of hair each bundle in the pack. So yeah. And I used a rat tail comb. A rat tail comb will be the key to this style. Like, this will be how you'll be able to get like your parts straight and everything. Like, a rat tail comb is going to be your best friend. Also, edge control. Now, it does not matter. It does not matter what type of edge control you use, but it is best to use edge control. That just helps you define your part a little bit more, and it keeps your parts clean. So any type of edge control you like. I use the Easy Braid brand. I picked that up from my local beauty supply store, as well as the Easy Braid pre-stretch hair. So there was 3 sections, 1, 2, and 3. At the bottom in the clip of the video, you'll see me insert a small clip showing you how I have my hair parted off. This uses 5 pieces of hair per braid.